Oh, yeah. Good morning, everybody. Acre of Love Homestead here. We are sitting out in the front garden, listening to the birds, and gonna check the garden here in a little bit. What do you want, Todd? You're such a sweet boy. Today I think I'm going to actually get down. You ain't getting up here now. Go. I'm going to pull some of the onions from in the back garden. Hear that mockingbird? And because our garden center has their plants on sale for 99 cents. So I think I'm going to go down there later also to get some more plants to put. Todd, can you stop? Go. Go play, Todd. Here. Go build your own garden. Here, come on. Go build your own garden. Go. Anyways, I'm going to go down there today and buy some more plants to put back there in that back area. What? You didn't build a garden that fast. Go on now. But yeah, this just want to do a little bit of talking to you guys for a little bit. I got my coffee here and just spend a little bit of time with you and, explain a couple of things that's happening. As I've talked about before, I've had, a little bit of health issues going on. I do have thyroid issues. So they found 2 nodules on my right thyroid. Now I go June the 18th for an appointment to have that checked in to see what exactly he may want to do. So I don't know if I'll end up having to have surgery for that or not. Let's pray that I don't, because I don't want to have surgery for that. But sometimes that's kind of why I feel like kind of like down and tired and all of that stuff a lot. And that's because of that. So that's why I don't make a whole lot of videos, if anybody's, wondering. I try to do, the most videos that I can get to. Okay, guys. Didn't know this turned into a dog reunion. So I try to do, some videos of what I can whenever I'm not super tired. And whenever I'm able to kind of be at the house. Some days I'll work from home. Like today I'll be working from home. And then I also have to have another sonogram done. Guys, don't knock that over. Todd. I have to have another sonogram done on my chest area to make sure. I found like a small lump. So hopefully there's, nothing wrong there. So I go I'll go on the 27th to have a sonogram done for that also. So that's kind of what's been happening with me health-wise. But for the most part, I got good spirits. I'm just ready for this all to be over with so I can just continue with my life and, get back to work, get back to gardening and all that good stuff. And, I just wanted to kind of explain a little bit to you guys about what's happening. But anyways, let's not talk about that no more. The garden is doing really great. Tomatoes are starting to turn a little bit. They're getting a little bit more sun, so they're starting to turn. I did pick enough jalapenos that I can at least maybe 1 or 2 jars. I have so much squash and zucchini, guys. I've given so much away. I've already picked like 4 rounds of squash, and I've given some away. I've sold a little bit. But yeah, squash and zucchini, they are just in full-blown growing mode here. Rocky, don't leave this gate. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, so we're getting there. Summer's about to be here. I'm sure, a lot of things are gonna be able to come out here pretty soon. Like potatoes, I'm hoping they'll come out here pretty soon. But I'm ready to be in full force growing season. He's got an itchy back apparently, huh, Spike? You got an itchy back? But yeah, that's kind of what's going on, huh? You got an itchy back, buddy? Yeah, I'm itchy. You itchy boy. Okay, you get too excited. Go. You get way too excited. Watch out. All right, I'm going to turn y'all around. So, we're talking about the garden. This is not a garden tour or nothing like that. Just want to give y'all an update. I got to catch some chickens because they're getting in there and digging. I still got to catch those chickens. We got a pretty little flower coming out on our potatoes, so I think we're slowly getting closer and closer. Those potatoes have gotten bigger, actually. So I think I did pull some from in there. I had a couple plants die off because I think something was eating them from the bottom. So I pulled them, and we got maybe about 3 or 4 small potatoes. They weren't very big. What? Do I need helpers in the garden? No, I do not. Todd likes to get up there and dig too. You know, our bell peppers are getting bigger. Our cucumbers on this side are, you know, starting to do what I wanted them to do, you know, grow up this trellis here. So I'm excited about that. I do need to, like this one, I need to get it moved. Let's see if I can set y'all down. This one, I need to actually tame it to go this way. Oh, it's got a cucumber in there. Heck yeah. So it can kind of grow up and do what I need it to. We'll see if that, you know, happens. This one on this side now, it's got some cucumbers on it, but that plant to me is kind of dinky because I planted both of those plants at the same time. One's fuller than the other one. But look at them tiny little cucumbers on here, guys. I can't wait to start canning. Actually, I have some squash and stuff I'm probably going to can, so y'all watch out for that video. I will put that in, you know, I will make a video of that. Now, my holy moly down here, I'm going to have to pick it because something keeps eating it. It's probably them stinking roly-polies. Now, there's 2 of them on here. But, see how something keeps eating on it? Right there. I'm just going to throw it back down in there. Maybe the seeds in it will grow another one. But I'm really excited. Oh, and then these are cantaloupes. And I'm getting tiny little cantaloupes coming. I'm so excited about that. Tiny, tiny cantaloupes. Heck yeah. I'm ready. And then our pumpkins in the back, they're getting pretty big. I put some of those down and some pictures of those down in the community. So if y'all want to go over there and check those pictures out, I got some pictures over there in the community for you guys. But it wasn't, you know, this video isn't about gardening tour and stuff like that. Just a little bit about kind of what's happening with me and why, if anybody's ever wondering, well, she don't make that many videos. Why? That's the reason why. But guys, y'all like and subscribe and stick around, and we will actually see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.